Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Arielle. Today I am back with another video. Simple, everyday, go-to type of makeup. So let's get straight into it. So I'm gonna start off by moisturizing my face and my lips. So I haven't done my hair yet, so if you see lace, don't judge me, we're getting there. So for foundation, I mix these two together, L'Oreal True Match in 7/8 and ColourPop No Filter Foundation. And I'm gonna do one pump. No, actually, I do 3 of these. Oh shoot. And one of the ColourPop. Wow, must be running out. And then I'm gonna mix them together. This is just concealer for my brows that I'll put on my lid after. Then I'm gonna go around my brow. Really quick, I'm going to set my smile lines with this powder. A little. So now we're gonna conceal. And this color is medium dark 38. So while that sits, I'm gonna use this then that's it. No, that's not it. I'm gonna come back to it. I'm gonna use my beauty blender to blend in. Gotta blend it before it starts to dry up. Before it starts to dry up. Whatever's left, I'm gonna just pat it in the middle of my forehead. So I'm just patting this in. I'm not worried about brightening it up and baking right now. This is just so that it doesn't start to crumble. So I'm gonna pat this in. Or I'm gonna put here. I'm gonna do in the middle of my forehead, and then I'm gonna wipe it right off. So quick. Alright, now I'm gonna go back to my little eyelash thing and I'm gonna pick up this concealer. I'm gonna put it on my eye. So I'm gonna set it real quick. So I'm gonna take this same brush and I'm gonna just clean up the middle of my eyebrow. And then take my pinky and do the rest. Alright, so now I'm gonna go back to warming up my face. And I'm mixing both of these colors together. Camera died, but I went ahead and did this side of my face, and now I'm just gonna continue bronzing up over here. So I'm gonna over bronze my forehead. I love doing that. So I go here, I pat down here, beauty blender again. Cut my cheek, and this makes such a big difference. And then pat it in. I'm gonna blend it out a little bit more. And now use the color Pop. Right under my eye. Since it's yellow, it'll brighten up. Not gonna let it sit too long. I'm gonna wipe it right away. Now I'm going to apply just a little bit more, just to touch it up. Blend that forehead out. Now it's time to spray this Fix Plus. So I'm gonna put a little bit of mascara. This is Maybelline Lash Sensational. And then do my bottom lashes. I'm gonna take a Q-tip and clean up the mess. Once it dries, it just comes right off. Add a little more Vaseline. Vaseline, my best friend. A very little bit of highlight. I used to love highlighter, but lately I don't really care for it. Can't forget the fake mole. Okay guys, so this is my makeup I wear in pretty much all of my hair review videos. Very simple, go-to everyday makeup. If you like this video, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.